Okay, in this video we're going to be doing how to upgrade your miner and the steps for it. You're just going to make your way over to My Miners, go down, click upgrade, or you can just go to dash, click upgrade power, select which one, choose that. So you can choose different packages of terahashes. You can do 1.65 terahash for $40, or you can do 4.12 terahash for $100, or there's the 10.28 terahash for $250, or the 20.58 terahash for $500. You can click open on things. It'll show you your net your net reward for your daily. I'm pretty sure it's your daily, but it also shows your percentage for the ROI of the upgrade. But the cheapest one, surprisingly, is the highest percentage upgrade, so we're just going to click next. You can choose by card, by crypto. After you've minted it, you can no longer use Apple Pay or Google Pay to upgrade your miner, so you have to use crypto or card. So I'm going to use Skrill. Click that. It'll bring me over here. Click that. Click that. Click pay now. Confirm. Then we go back here. And just like that, your miner upgraded. So that's how you upgrade your miner. Nice and simple, super easy. Enjoy.